Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best potato head is probably one of the most enduring and beloved classic toys, captivating generations with its simple yet endlessly creative play pattern. This iconic spud-tacular duo offers a fantastic opportunity for imaginative expression, allowing kids and even adults to mix and match facial features and accessories to create countless hilarious and unique characters, making it a timeless addition to any toy collection that promises hours of laughter and developmental fun. Number 5. Mr. Potato Head Classic Toy. Dive into a world of endless fun and creativity. This classic figure lets kids' imaginations sprout as they create all sorts of wacky looks. It comes with 13 exciting parts and pieces. You'll find a large potato body, a base with feet, and iconic accessories like a derby hat, mustache, glasses, and a happy smile. All the accessories are designed for easy plug-and-play action. Kids can effortlessly mix and match to invent unique characters every time they play. Get ready for endless giggles as your little one discovers all the possibilities. They can make, mix, and laugh with this beloved toy. Remember playing with this toy as a child? Now you can introduce your kids to this version of the classic, inviting every spud to be what tater they want to be. What we like. This is the iconic original, perfect for introducing the timeless fun of creative play. It comes with all the essential pieces to build his classic look and more. If you are looking for the quintessential Mr. Potato Head experience to share with a new generation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Number 4. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head Classic Toy. Kids can let their imagination and creativity sprout with this classic figure. It comes with lots of parts and pieces to create all kinds of wacky looks. This toy includes a large potato body, a base with feet, and fun plug-and-play accessories. You'll find a pink purse, a stylish hairdo, and a sweet smile. Get ready for giggles galore when your little one discovers all the possibilities. They can create endless funny faces and expressions. Remember playing with this toy when you were a child? Introduce your kids to this version of the classic that invites every spud to be what tater they want to be. This toy makes a great holiday or birthday gift for toddlers, preschoolers, and kids ages 2 and up. It brings joy and creative play to any occasion. What we like. Meet her classic counterpart, bringing her own unique charm and accessories to the mix. She includes her signature purse and hairdo, offering different creative possibilities. If you like adding a distinct feminine touch to your potato creations or want to complete the classic duo, this figure is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Mr. Potato Head Set of 2. Introducing the classic Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head set. This beloved pair brings endless fun and creativity to playtime. With a variety of mix and match pieces, children can create countless silly faces and unique characters. Their imagination is the only limit. These delightful toys offer endless creative possibilities. Kids will love swapping parts to design their very own spud-tacular friends. Many of their parts are designed to work seamlessly with other Mr. Potato Head toys. This allows for even more imaginative combinations and extended play. They are perfectly sized for little hands, making them easy for toddlers and preschoolers to grasp and manipulate. This ensures a comfortable and engaging play experience. What we like. This set provides both iconic characters, doubling the fun right out of the box. It offers endless creative possibilities with pieces designed to be easily swapped between them. If you are looking for maximum play value and want to ensure collaborative play or more character options, this duo is an excellent value. What people say. Number 2. Disguise Hasbro Mr. Mrs. Potato Head Kit. Get ready for a fun transformation. This kit brings the iconic Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head characters to life. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a playful twist to their costume. You'll find everything you need to embody these beloved characters. It includes various facial features and accessories, allowing for endless customization. Just attach them to create your unique look. Whether it's a Halloween party, a themed event, or just a fun gathering, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's designed for women who want a lighthearted and recognizable costume. You'll surely be a hit. Putting together your potato head look is incredibly easy. The pieces attach securely, letting you mix and match with no hassle. Express your creativity and have fun with it. This is an officially licensed Hasbro product, ensuring authentic details and quality. You can trust its design to capture the essence of the classic toy. Enjoy a costume that's both fun and familiar. What we like. This isn't a toy, but a fantastic costume kit for fans of the classic characters. It includes wearable accessories to transform into either Mr. or Mrs. Potato Head. If you are looking for a fun, recognizable costume for parties or events, this kit is perfect for bringing the beloved Spud to life. What people say. Number 1. Playskool Mr. Potato Head Silly Suitcase. This exciting toy is designed for preschoolers and toddlers. Your children will adore exploring the variety of different parts and pieces it includes. With 35 pieces, it brings on the laughs as kids put them together in every which way. There's no wrong way to play when mixing and mashing. It comes in a convenient carry-along suitcase. This makes it perfect for fun anywhere, and cleanup and storage are super easy. Kids can create all kinds of unique characters, faces, and expressions. They'll love using the crazy glasses, wacky mustaches, and other fun accessories. This is truly an entertaining toy for toddlers. They can explore and create freely, knowing there's no wrong way to play with it. What we like. This set offers an incredible variety of 35 parts and pieces for endless silly combinations. It comes in a convenient carry-along suitcase, making cleanup and travel a breeze. If you have a child who loves variety, needs easy storage, or enjoys taking their toys on adventures, this comprehensive kit is a fantastic choice. What people say. No positive review details could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. The provided source contained no reviews for selection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.